Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In this quick video, I will show you how to overlay in CapCut. So let's go. First, open CapCut. Create new project. Import the videos that you want. Here I take 2 sample videos for a tutorial. Click the plus, Add to Track button to add it to the timeline. If you don't want the entire video, you can trim it by dragging the edges of the clip to adjust its length. You'll notice the overlay is now on top of the background video. To resize the overlay, use the corners of the video preview or the scale tool on the right-hand side. Position the overlay where you want it, for example, in the corner for a facecam effect. Once you're happy with the result, click the export button in the top right corner to save your video. And that's it. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.